One thing that makes Slint special is that we are not limited to one programming language, but we support C++ as the traditional dominant programming language in the embedded space. But we also support Rust. Yeah. That is our implementation language, actually. We support that as a first class. And we also support JavaScript. And we've designed the toolkit to support multiple programming languages in the future because we do just the user interface and we just do connecting the user interface to the business logic. That is what we do. And so that makes it possible for us to support this.
Great. And you are a member of the Rust Foundation.
Yes, we are a member of the Rust Foundation because we are really happy to participate also in the Rust ecosystem. We participate there actively by reusing code, but we also contribute back. We contribute changes in there. And so for us, this is natural to support Rust as a whole. And that is best done through the Rust Foundation, which supports the development of the language, the community, and make sure that the language and the ecosystem is on a solid foundation.
Great.